You're watching One to Step YouTube channel, a channel where we post tutorial video. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can cash out in Cash App. Alright, so cash out means you're basically trying to transfer your money from Cash App into your bank account. That's what cash out means in Cash App. Alright, so let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And I'm gonna be frank with you guys, there's two types of cash out in Cash App. One is the quick one. For the quick one, you need to pay some extra fee for Cash App for transferring the money into your bank account quickly within a single day. And for like the free one, it's gonna take 2 to 3 business days. Business days means Saturday and Sunday is not gonna be included. Other than that, 2 or 3 business days might take for the money to be transferred into your bank account, but it's gonna be completely free. Alright, so in that case, let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, One to Step, subscribe, and first step is click on the house looking icon. Now in my case, I have $0 on my Cash App, that's why it's showing me this house icon. But if you have 10, 20 or how much amount of money under Cash App, that is going to be displayed over here, so click on it. And at the top, you want to click on Cash Out. And remember, to cash out, you need to already have linked your bank account in Cash App. And if you don't know how to link a bank account in Cash App, we have made a video on our channel, One to Step, where we teach you guys how you guys can link your bank account in Cash App. You can watch that video to link that, bank account on your Cash App. After you link it, come over here, click on Cash Out. Once you click on it, it's going to give you these options. From over here, you can select how much money you want to withdraw out of your Cash App. You can use this slider to select how much money you want to withdraw out. And then there's these two options. This is gonna be the one where you need to pay the extra fee, and the other is the free one. You can click on whichever option you like, and after that your money will be transferred into your bank account. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can cash out in Cash App. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, One to Step, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.